Water birds by rhymes, fun and activities. Water birds. Water birds are those birds which live in water or love to live in and around water shores. There are two types of water birds, swimming birds and the wading birds. Swimming birds. See, this is the swimming bird which have the webbed feet. They have webbed feet that help them to swim in water. The front three toes, look carefully, the front three toes are joined by a wave which helps them to push back water while swimming. Wading birds. Birds like cranes, herons, storks all comes from the wading birds family. They have long legs with spread out toes so that these birds can wade through muddy water easily without getting drenched. Now let's look more into it. Duck. Ducks are closely related to swans and geese which are in the same family. They have highly waterproof feathers which insulate ducks from weather, water and cold temperature. They are omnivores and eat both plants, grass and insects. They live on every continent except Antarctica, so they are found in every continent. They can live both on fresh water and salty water. Ducks are friendly to humans from long time. Ducks have been domesticated by them by 500 years because they are friendly. They have webbed feet for swimming. They are friendly and very clean. They always turn their head and clean their body by their beak and keep their feathers clean. They are the largest animals in the duck goose family. Swan. Look at the swan, how beautiful it is. And see its neck, how long, elongated, and it's in the form of a S. Swans are beautiful birds. They have elongated, curved necks and white feathers, snowy white feathers. They are large birds and weigh up to 30 pounds. They have streamlined body and webbed feet. There are about 25,000 feathers in his body. Since this bird is very large, it has 25,000 feathers and so it looks very beautiful. There are 7 species of swans in this world. They are smart and they have very good memory. They recognize people who have been once good to them. If you are good to them, they will always remember you and will recognize you. Swans can also run very fast. They are peaceful and very caring towards their family and towards their nest. Geese. Geese are white beautiful birds. They spend most of their time in search of food. They are always in search of food. They prefer both fresh water and salty water for living. They prefer to sleep in water so as to save themselves from predators. They always love to fly in formation. They have the habit of honking from behind to encourage those in front to keep up their speed. A group of goose is called a gaggle. They are very friendly. Kingfisher. Look at this bird. How beautiful it is. Kingfishers are the medium-sized, multicolored birds, mainly blue and green, with orange or red colored chest. They have an excellent eyesight which facilitates quick detection of prey. They have an excellent eyesight and through this they can easily and quickly catch their prey. It flies fast and direct and it can also hover above water so as to search and collect their food. It is a carnivore and loves to eat fish, frogs and small snails. Look at the penguin, how beautiful it looks. Penguins live near the cold waters of Antarctica. They have stiff flippers and webbed feet through which it can swim very well. They are sleek-shaped and have well-developed breast and wing muscles so that they can easily propel through water. Penguins dive underwater in order to catch their food. Their underwater dive lasts for 6 minutes. Since most of their prey resides in upper water levels, they slide easily on ice but are unable to fly. A group of penguins in water is called a raft and on land it is called a vessel. Heron. Look at this bird. This is the heron. See its neck and see its beak. Herons are long-legged freshwater birds. These birds are unable to swim. These birds cannot swim. They are large and their wingspan is around 6 feet. Despite their size, they are light in weight. Why? Because their feathers are very small. They are dangerous to handle as their powerful beaks can literally kill a human. Their bones are too fragile. They love to eat small frogs, turtles and snakes. Cranes, look at this bird, how big it is. A crane is a tall wading bird with long legs, neck and gills. They resemble herons and egrets in body shape but have heavier bodies as they are very large. They are brown, grey and white. They are omnivorous and eat varieties of plants and animals. They build their nest in marshy areas. They are powerful flyers with the ability to fly over Himalayas too. They live for nearly 20 to 25 years. So they are great flyers and are very big. Flamingo, look at this beautiful bird. This pink colored bird fascinates all of us. Flamingos are reddish pink color. They are not born pink, but they are grey or white when they are born, and they steadily turn pink as they grow young. They are found in swamps and mud flats. They love to eat snails, eggs and shrimps. These foods have chemicals which can turn a flamingo feathers pink, so they turn pink gradually and slowly. A flamingo stands 4 to 5 feet tall. It is the national bird of Bahamas. Stork. Look at the stork. Storks are large, long-legged wading birds with long, stout bills. They have large nests. They catch prey such as fish, frogs, toads and rodents with their long bills. They usually live near the shallow bodies of water where they can wade through and catch their prey. They are white in color except black feathers on its wings. So the stork bird is generally white color and it has black feathers on its wings, and it has a very long bill and long legs of course. Spoonbill. A spoonbill has a unique type of bill. It is in the shape of a spoon. Now let's learn more about it. A spoonbill has spoon-shaped beak through which it collects tadpoles and other small animals. It sweeps its partly open bill from side to side. The moment any small aquatic creature touches the inside of the bill, it is snapped shut. Its nostrils are located near the base of the bill so that it can breathe while it is submerged in water. It is noted for its stunning pink color and uniquely shaped bill. Pelicans are large wading birds. They have a long beak and a large throat pouch used for catching prey and draining out water from the scooped up contents before swallowing. They have a throat pouch much larger than their tummy also. They have short legs and have a big wingspan of 10 feet. So they have a big wingspan and they are very big and large birds. They can fly up to the height of 10,000 feet using the warm wind currents. So they can fly very high and they are very big and large. Now here comes the next bird, egret. Egrets have long necks, bills but short tails. They prefer fishes, snakes, amphibians as their diet. So they are carnivores. They have specialized feet which helps in collection of food. The bright yellow color of his feet attracts small fishes closer to them, so then that they can eat them as their prey. Egrets capture prey with their beaks. Cattle egrets is one species which follow cattle to pick off insects disturbed by their movement. Woodcock. Look at this beautiful bird. Woodcock is a very beautiful bird and it comes from the family of wading birds. Woodcocks have stocky body. They are brown and black plumage and long slender bills. See its bill how long and slender it is. It have 360-degree vision as their eyes are located on the sides of their head so that they can turn their head full on 360-degree motion. Woodcocks walk in a funny way, resembling dance, because when they step heavily on the soil, their bodies rock back and forth in great motions.